discussing indiscriminate searches of persons by law enforcement agencies.
You may ask the question,
can the police search me on the road?
Can the police
enter into my house or premises
and conduct search?
What is required? Under what circumstance can this be done? These are some of the questions we intend to answer this week. Now, it is correct to say that the Nigerian police, for example, have the statutory power
under Section
4 of the Police Act
and also under
Section 28 of the Police Act
to conduct search
on persons who
are suspects
or suspected of commission of an offense.
When this is done,
it is said that the police conducted search on the person. Search can be conducted either on the body of a suspect, at the residence of a suspect, or even sometimes on the road, including on the vehicle of someone that is suspected of having committed an offense. What does the law say? By virtue of Section 143, 144 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act of 2015. The police and other law enforcement agencies have the statutory power to conduct search at the residence of persons and also on the body of suspects who are believed to have committed an offense. For this to happen, there are circumstances in which the police have to obtain warrants from a court or justice of peace to be able to conduct search. The police required warrants ordinarily to gain access into the premises of somebody that is being sought after on allegation of commission of an offense. Can the police search the phone of Nigerians on the road? The answer is no. Because except the police is suspecting someone of committing a cybercrime, is suspecting that the phone has been used for the commission of an offense. But even at that, the law requires under Section 45 of the Cybercrime Prohibition Act of 2015, the police has to obtain a warrant from a court to authorize them to search the phone of citizens. The police does not have unilateral power to begin to conduct search on the phone of persons. I must also say that stop and search, as it is called, is not just that a simple matter whereby the police can just stop any vehicle and begin to conduct search. On the contrary, the police will require the warrant of the court to be able to do so. However, where reasonable suspicion is established that there's an article in a vehicle, by article I mean a property or an item inside a car or a vehicle on the road, the police may be allowed to have access or request access to conduct search. The bottom line is that reasonable suspicion has to be established. The reason should not be flimsy, should not be arbitrary. It has to be one that can be justified. What we have said so far today is that while the law recognizes the power of the police and other law enforcement agencies to conduct search, there is a procedure under the law for that to be done. And of course, there are remedies available to people whose right to privacy, for example, under Section 37 of the Constitution, has been infringed upon. Because under that section, the privacy of citizens, their home, correspondence, telephone, and telegraphic communication is protected and guaranteed under that section. Where this right is infringed upon by the police in the course of search, a nation can lie fundamental right enforcement against the law enforcement agency. So I hope that with this, we have been able to clarify what the law says regarding indiscriminate search by law enforcement agencies.